Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make chicken pesto pasta. This chicken pesto pasta dish is so good. You're gonna love it. It comes together in one pot and it's so addictively delicious. You'll be licking your plates clean. To start, we're going to make our basil pesto. You can totally buy a store-bought pesto, but homemade is my preference. First thing first, we're gonna get 2 cups of loosely packed basil. Then you're gonna put those leaves into a food processor or a blender. We're gonna add in our garlic and our Parmesan next. Then we're gonna finish it off with our pine nuts and our olive oil. Pine nuts can be pretty pricey, and if you have an allergy, there's other substitutes out there. Sunflower seeds are a great alternative. Now we're going to blend until smooth. This is how smooth I like mine, but feel free to add in extra water or olive oil to get it even smoother. Once you've got your desired consistency, set it aside and let's move on to the chicken. You're going to need 2 pounds or about 4 chicken breasts for this recipe. When we're cutting up this chicken, what we're looking for is bite-sized pieces. We finished cutting our chicken, now we're gonna head to the stove. And we're gonna get 2 tablespoons of olive oil heating up in a large skillet. Heat this up nice and hot over medium-high heat and then add in your chicken. Then season up your chicken with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper, and 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic. Give it a good stir and cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes. Once your chicken's nice and browned on all sides, we're going to add in 3 cups of chicken broth. To that, we're going to add in 12 ounces of pasta. Stir and bring to a boil. I'm using penne pasta, but honestly, use what you like. I prefer this pasta because it holds the sauce really well. Once it's come to a boil, we're going to lid that and turn our heat down to medium-high. Only take the lid off to occasionally stir to ensure the pasta doesn't stick to the bottom. With this dish, because we're cooking it in the chicken broth, there's nothing to strain off. The starches of that pasta is what's going to give us our sauce. So right now we're cooking our noodles to al dente. Once that pasta's cooked perfectly, turn it down to a simmer. Add in 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of either store-bought or your homemade pesto mixture. Give everything a really good stir until it's all well incorporated. Turn off the heat and add in that 1 cup of Parmesan to really thicken up that sauce. Then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. See you later.